Welcome again to Miss Valerie Can Help. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to pour a soda in a glass without it foaming all over. Okay? Okay, what I did, I used the edge of this and grip it to the glass like this and let it run to the edge down in the glass so you don't have all that foaming coming up. If you do like this, it's gonna bring a lot of foam, so you have to gently do like that, let it run to the side, gradually down, and then while it's foaming, it's dying out, it's foaming, it's just dying out, and then you just wait until the can almost finished, and you can just pour the little that is left there. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valerie Can Help. Toodaloo.